guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel if you are new. As you can see from the title of the video, we're gonna be doing some straight back braids. My little sister showed me this hack that she's seen on TikTok to do straight backs because I kind of struggle with it. Like, the front of the head is just so wide and the back of the head is just so narrow, so it'd be kind of hard getting the braid to actually fit the back of the head. But oh, this rack that I have is from Michael's, and it's like a yarn rack. So I will link that in the description box because that makes braiding very much easier, because it's like you can put the hair on there and get it out the way instead of just separating the hair or just laying it out on like a chair or whatever the case is. So we're gonna be starting off with her hair was in like braids. She just took the braids out, but I do want to say that it's better if you have stretched hair as opposed to like a twist out or a braid out or something like that, because it just makes the hair look more neat and the braids wouldn't be as thick as it is with all this texture. So I actually have like a more detailed video on how I do knotless box braids, so if you want to see that, you can just check that out. And also for this style, this is my first time doing this and my first time doing straight backs overall, like with feed-ins or whatever the case is. So it was kind of not really that challenging, but it's kind of challenging. But I did part this back piece a little bit too high. You actually want it lower so it can really give you the illusion that the braids are actually going all the way to the back of the head. But with the braids being as high as it is, it didn't give like what it was supposed to give. But you know, it was decent, but it didn't give what it was supposed to give. Okay, so me personally, whenever I'm doing any type of like braiding style or something, and it's like a middle part is low-key needed. I mean, this technically you don't really need a middle part, but I prefer to just make a middle part and then I just balance out the braids on both sides of the head. So that's what you've seen me do. I just did the right side off camera, and then here I'm doing this. For her hair was pretty thick, and the size of the braids that we were doing, when I added like extensions in, like then I did the feed in, it was like super thick. So what I did was I just braided her hair straight back, and then I added the extra hair like once the braid was finished. But for these last two braids, I just did I actually added hair in it because the size of her head is actually thinner than the top. Well, the perimeter of her head is just thinner than the rest of her hair on her head, so that's why I actually needed to add some feed-in braids on the sides. So as some of y'all know, if y'all watch like my other hair tutorials or braiding videos, y'all know that when I do my mother and my sister's hair, they help me with the ends of the braids. So y'all will see her like braiding the hair, the ends of the braids, and she's adding hair because she likes her braids super long past her butt, and me, I don't got time to be braiding that much length of hair, so I just tell her to add the hair in and make the length herself. Okay, so now you just want to boil the ends just to seal off the ends and just to give it like more of a neater look at the ends instead of it just being like straggly and stuff like that. And I always just use t-shirts to dry hair all the time. If you watch any other hair videos, you know why. But yeah, we're putting this foam. I've seen a lot of people put like this mousse on hair. It actually helps with like flyaways, and you blow dry it after too. Yeah, gonna see me do that. But it helps with like flyaways, and it just helps it look more neat and just laid down. And I actually like when you do this, especially on the ends as well. It just puts everything together. Like, I feel like I was missing the steps, but as y'all can see, like I said, how I parted the knotless braids. My sister's just so annoying. Sorry, y'all. But I've parted the knowledge braids too high up, so that's why it's not giving that much of an illusion. But if you made it to the end of this video, thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share with your friends. I might come back and do another video, an updated video on this. Okay.